Figma just recently announced a major wave of AI-powered features at CONFIG 2025. These are not minor updates. These tools are shaping up to be genuine productivity boosters for UX/UI designers. Give me 8 minutes and I'll walk you through every new feature, what's exciting, what's practical, and how it might reshape your design workflow. Okay, let's begin with a quieter but very essential update: performance. Because Figma now loads very large files approximately 33% faster, thanks to smarter memory usage and overall system optimization. And the result, a noticeable smoother, more responsive editing experience. This is amazing, especially if you're working with one of those huge project files or design workflows or design systems.
Next up is Figma Make, an AI-powered tool that lets you turn static frames into working prototypes using natural language prompts. You copy a frame and paste it in Figma Make and type your prompts. They showcase this example. Add some hover states. When I click on a music tile, make it populate the prompt box. Figma Make will then create the code for you and deliver an interactable site where you can keep making changes and refinements, like adding a drag and drop and further animations. Other examples were this amazing 3D drawing site, this very common pattern for credit card image recognition that actually works, and this awesome map navigation site. All these examples look just amazing because it's not just convenient, it significantly accelerates ideation and validation processes. Now, auto layout has clearly evolved because the new Figma Grid now introduces a more flexible two-dimensional layout structure where you can now nest containers within containers, align items across both axes, and even resize grid cells independently. And the best part is that you are no longer constrained by rigid structure. The grid can adapt, stretch, or even be broken when needed, making responsive design so much more intuitive for us. Figma Sites is a new tool that transforms your designs into fully functional websites directly from your Figma file. First, you paste in your designs, you set breakpoints, preview responsiveness, and use drag and drop blocks like live maps, buttons, or embedded media. You can even apply interactions and visual effects, such as fade-ins or scroll animations. So whether you're presenting to stakeholders or building internal sites, this tool offers an impressively smooth transition from design to experience. Next, we have Code Layers. Code Layers introduces a design-to-code workflow powered by AI. You can now generate code directly from a design element and prompt it to make real-time adjustments. It's ideal for quickly prototyping functional behavior, from animated interactions to responsive properties, without manually writing the code yourself. Figma Draw. Now, Draw Mode brings a whole new level of creative expression to Figma. You can freely draw vector shapes, create texture strokes, apply noise, and even design custom brushes. Progressive blurs allows you to create depth behind text or UI elements, and the new repeat function helps rapidly duplicate components across layouts. And yes, text on path is finally here. Figma Buzz is a marketing-focused tool designed to fast asset production. You can create individual or bulk create branded content by connecting a spreadsheet to your design, automatically generating variants with linked text and images. There are over 500 ready-made templates, plus textures, plus illustrations, and even AI-generated visuals. It's ideal for design teams that are also supporting socials, email, or campaign workflows at scale. So that's a complete high-level look at Figma's newest AI-powered features from CONFIG 2025. From intelligent prototyping to grid-based responsive layouts and even website generation, Figma is definitely evolving beyond just a design tool.
So these features will be available for users that had paid full seat. However, Figma is also introducing one more seat, a content seat, which provides access to Buzz, Sites, FigJam, and Slides. This might be perfect for marketers, copywriters, or non-design contributors to collaborate with you inside Figma. Which of these features you're most excited about? or which ones you think there still need refining. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.